Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Friends, in this video I am going to show you how to install operating system in Dell OptiPlex computer. So friends, at first you have to make a bootable pen drive with operating system. To make a bootable pen drive with operating system, you have to perform these steps. So friends, at first you have to open any browser. In the browser you have to search Rufus. There are many applications softwares you can use. I am using here Rufus just because of easy use. Now you have to download the Rufus software and you have to install in your computer. There are many versions available. You have to download the latest version. Now type the file name and click save button. Once the file is downloaded, open this program. Now click install anyway. In the device option, as you see, it is blank. Once you insert the pen drive or USB drive, it will detect automatically. And after that you have to click on select button to select the OS file. Remember, the file must be in ISO format. And now you have to change the volume level, that is the volume name, and then you have to click on start button. Now click OK. Again click OK. Warning message appears. All data on this device will be destroyed. To continue with the operation, click OK. Now you have to wait till the status is completed. Once you will get the status ready, you will able to use the pen drive or USB drive as a bootable device. It will take almost 5 to 10 minutes to complete the operation. Once the pen drive is ready, you have to locate to the Dell computer where you want to install the Ubuntu operating system and then restart the computer. Once you see the logo on the screen, just press F12 on the screen and then you will able to see the default boot mode, which may be either legacy or UEFI. In this case, the default boot mode is legacy. Now to change the boot mode, you have to switch to the BIOS settings. Now select boot sequence and then you have to change the boot list option legacy to UEFI. Since I have loaded UEFI version of Ubuntu in my pen drive, that's why I have to change it. Now click apply and then click OK. Once the changes is applied, you have to click on exit button to restart the computer. Now insert the pen drive into the USB port and power on your computer if it is off. Once you see the Dell logo on the screen, just press F12 on the keyboard to see the boot mode options. Now you have to switch to the UEFI SanDisk, that is the pen drive name. If you have legacy version, you will see your pen drive in the legacy boot option. Otherwise you will find in UEFI boot mode option. Now you just need to press enter on the keyboard. Now press enter on the keyboard to install Ubuntu. Now the rest part is very easy. You just need to follow the on-screen instructions to install the Ubuntu. Choose your keyboard layout, and by default it is English US. Now you have to click on continue. In this step you have two options. You have to select either normal installation or minimal installation. Normal installation installs web browser, utilities, office software, games and media players, and minimal installation installs web browser and basic utilities. So select normal installation and click continue. If you want to install Ubuntu along with Windows, then select the first option. Otherwise select erase disk and install Ubuntu, and then click install now, and then click continue. Now select your region, that is your country, and then click continue. Now you have to enter your name. Once you start typing on your name, and your computer name and username automatically created. And then you have to set password and then confirm password, and then click continue button. Once you click continue, installation is started. You just need to wait till the installation is completed. Once the installation is completed, click restart now in order to use the new installation. Now remove the installation medium, that is your pen drive, and then press enter on the keyboard. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.